quality backlinks, what actually are they, why should you care, and quantity versus quality, which one should you really focus on? In this video, I'll explain to you. Stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Jackie from techjackie.com and welcome to another video on SEO. First of all, if you're new to this channel, make sure to press the subscribe button down below so whenever I release a new SEO video like this, you'll get notified. Good quality backlinks, I'm sure you must have heard this many times, that whenever you build backlinks to your website, you need to always focus on building good quality ones. But what are actually good quality backlinks? Are they backlinks coming from, let's say, a website having high domain authority, DA or PA, or are they website backlinks coming from a website that are related to your website, right? So according to my experience, good quality backlinks follow these three characteristics. Number one, the backlinks should be coming from a website that are topically related to yours, right? So for example, if your website is about cooking, then you would want to focus on building backlinks from cooking website or any other related topics website, let's say cuisine website, right? Or recipes website, something like that. Or you would want to focus building backlinks from the content that are related to yours, right? So let's say you get a backlinks from a news publishing website, and on that particular website they have a particular section where they talk about cookings, right? So and one of their blog articles is related to your website or content. So in that case, you're getting backlinks from a topically related content, right? So either the content or the website. But if the website is related, then that's much better, right? Better than the content. So that's the first characteristic. Second, the backlink should be coming from website having organic traffic, right? According to Ahrefs, the study done by Ahrefs in 2018, only about 10% of the websites on the internet gets organic traffic from Google, right? So and the other 90% they don't get it. So in order to website to get organic traffic by Google, the website needs to be trusted by Google, right? So if you're getting backlinks coming from website which receives organic traffic, you can pretty much assume that the links are good enough, right? Because Google trusts those type of website. And third, good quality backlinks should comes from website that has high authority, right? High link power or link authority. So in this case, you can follow any SEO metrics, let's say domain authority or domain rating, right, by Ahrefs. So it depends on your case, right? Because the more authority website has, the higher what we call as link juice the website can transfer to your content of the website, and that can push your website up in the ranking, right? So let me recap. Good quality backlinks follow three characteristics. That is, number one, it should be the links coming from topically related to your website, or at least somehow related, right? Like in the same or similar topic. Second, the link should be coming from a website that has organic traffic, preferably about 1,000 visitors per month from organic traffic. And third, the link should be authoritative or have high authority, right? Let's say, how about you must be thinking, like, if you got a links from, let's say, a DA of 9 or 10, but the website is fully related to yours, so what's happened in that case? Well, if that particular low authority site has a potential to grow in the future to become, let's say, 20 or 30 domain authority, then absolutely you can go for that if the website is related to your website, right? But in the initial state, right, when that particular website still has, let's say, DA of 9 and 10, that may not give you much of a push in ranking, right? So you have to really wait for that. But obviously, if the website is related to yours, then you can definitely go for this type of website, right? But if you want an instant result, then you may want to focus on having high authority backlinks coming from good ones, good websites from the starting, right? But good quality backlinks is very difficult to get nowadays, right? And for these three characteristics, you can either get a backlinks which have these three characteristics, or the overall of your backlinks profile should have backlinks having these three characteristics. Like, so let's say if your overall backlinks profile, if you have, let's say 10 backlinks, then maybe 2 of them might be coming from websites that have organic traffic, 3 of them might be coming from website which has high authority, and maybe a couple of them may be backlinks coming from related website, right? So you would want to make sure that your overall backlinks profile contains these 3 characteristics, right? All the links in your backlinks profile should follow these 3 characteristics. But if you can get one backlinks which has all these 3 characteristics, then that's definitely a gold mine for you, right? You can definitely bet on that backlinks to really help you out in your SEO rankings. Now, when it comes to quality and quantity, which one should you really focus on? There's again another study done by Ahrefs that there's a high correlation. In fact, the highest correlations between the site's ranking on the first page of Google and the number of backlinks pointing to that page. Notice the word quality and number of backlinks, right? So it's not just about the quality, but also the number of backlinks or the quantity as well. But the priority or the importance should always be given to the quality first, then you can always look at the quality. So how can you really be sure that which one should you really focus on in the initial place, in the initial like first time, right? So that depends on your competitors, right? Let's say if your competitors have 100 good quality backlinks, then definitely you always you definitely need to build good quality backlinks, and at least should be hundreds of them, right? But if your competitors have, let's say 1,000 backlinks and only about 10 of them are good quality backlinks, and you have only about 20 backlinks and all of the 20 of your backlinks are good quality ones, then that may be just enough for you to outrank your competitors, right? So it depends on your competitors, it depends on your niche, it depends on case by case. So you would always want to make sure that you do some competitive research before you start building backlinks, right? Or research about your competitors first. And that's pretty much it. And that I hope that answers your questions. If you have any more questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. And if you have any questions related to SEO, or if you want me to make any SEO any topics related to SEO the videos, make sure you comment them down in the comment section down below as well. And that's all for it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.